Hey you guys, what is up? Today I'm just gonna be playing some simulator. Hey you guys, today we're just gonna be playing some bee simulator. I haven't really played this for a long time, so let's just come in and clam or hide, I guess, because I'm pretty new about this game, so I don't really know that much about this game. It's just trying to collect as much things as I can. I'm not that pro. I suck. My friend is really pro though, so he actually told me to do this. I haven't really played this game for like a long time. So yeah, I'm pretty trash. And yeah, I'm just trash this boy. Trust me. Anyways, okay, my palms full. I wonder how we make I wonder how we basically get these. How get new these mic? Yes, that's how newbie I am. Yep. Who's gonna be a special one? Just make that one. And I guess that's how much honey we have. Go to egg items. Okay, egg items. No eggs or items. Okay. Shop. Can't afford. What? Basic egg? Okay, that's like a lot of honey. Jeez. Okay. Okay. I guess it's gonna be that way, but okay. Oh my gosh. I've never been to a circus and I have to go tomorrow. Oh my gosh. I just realized I'm not to wake up so early. I just need to get like a new bee. What does a bee do? First, I'm just gonna go check out what I can buy. Like, to be honest. Alright, peace out, boy. I'm out. I'm out. I might as well just make a series on this Noob to Pro, like not really Noob to Pro series 1. Just put series 1, series 2. I don't know. Whatever you guys love. Well, alright, so we already did all of this, so let's let it all collect honey. Alright guys. So that's all I'm gonna come. Okay, where's it gonna take me? Oh my gosh, where'd it take me? Club. No. Wait, where'd it take me? Wait, what? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, I never really expected that. Oh no! Why? You died. You must. How did they recover? Yes, please. Come on, boy. I'm getting rich off this, I guess. I don't know how rich I'm getting. Whoa, okay, that's actually like a lot of money. No. Oh well. That's fun while it lasted. What time? Alright, I just want to check what I can. Okay, I'm just gonna buy one. What do I do? Basic egg. What do I do here? I forgot the rules. Make honey. How do I? How? Okay. Wait. How hatch egg? How do we hatch our eggs? Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. Get free honey. What do we do? Like, are you creating? What happens if we make it though? Do we just get like honeystone or what happens? I just wonder. I just don't know about too much about this game. No, I didn't touch it. I didn't even touch it. Aw. Well, you delete uploaded. Okay. Is this like stalking or something? How does he know? Alright, I'm just gonna go to the shop real quick. I want to get like a different scoop because I don't really like this one. Precious bean. Well, we have the best thing. Let's get the rake. The rake actually just gives us a free spoiler, am I right? Free spoiler, am I right? Huh. Stop. He died. Oh, what? What? What is this do? What is that do? What is this? Find a royal jelly. What royal jelly do? What? Royal jelly do? I wonder what royal jelly does.
Pero él lo hace porque lo que él trae,
Nice.
porque tú sabes que son espíritus demoníacos.
Red bee.
Él lo hace para picarme, para que yo creo que pero yo lo que hago es curar.
Whoa, guys, I just need to stab this for a second. I just need to stab this. Stab with my rake. Okay, I'll stop. Okay. Can I actually go get some more though? My question. What does the club do? I wonder if the club gives you money. Okay. Anyway, oh my gosh, I want to get that one so bad. I don't know how to do it. Okay. What? Oh. We found 3 tickets. What does the tickets even do? Okay. Can we just keep on? Is this what we're supposed to do? Is that what we keep on doing? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest, guys. So this is actually just coming to check out more because I'm really new to the game. I'm not really new, but I'm working. I'm still working on this. So can I get up? Alright. Yeah, boy, we got our own spoiler. We're not even a car, but we still got our own spoiler. I mean, doesn't spoiler for yourself equal still as kind of a car? I don't know what I'm even saying right now. Okay, I'll touch that in a second, but like not right now because it's not. Oh no, you can't get it again. Oh, I don't want to die. Sherry doesn't die. It looks super. How do you make that? Okay, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's just supposed to, alright, whatever. Let's stab this again. Stab. Can my bees come with me? Can my bees come with me? Oh my gosh. Oh, my bees are super duper slow. Are you guys gonna come with me? You guys are not coming with me? Really? Come on, lazy. Are you guys okay? You guys are dead. Yeah, no, maybe you guys are. Peace out. Thank you guys for something, please. The red bee is not happy. I have to stab everything. I'll stab it. Oh, what is that? Okay. Oh my gosh, there's royal jelly up there. Oh no. What is that? I won't take it to this cover. for that too.
Y me dice, Dios, no me hagas. Ya me dijo que no me hagas. Le digo,
Yeah, it's so
no es
big.
la voz de Dios, la voz de Satanás. Sí, pero yo ahí estaba
Get new.
le dije,
Yes,
tú eres hijo
in
del
mine.
Padre.
Alright, so it looks like.
Yo no tuve un hijo.
So to be honest, it looks like
Yo
there's like
me puse a orar.
something up there.
Yo
So I'm just
algunos
gonna. It looks like there's a royal jelly. Yes. Where's the middle? Where's the more tickets? Why am I like where I am? Like.
Yo le tengo que decir la verdad. Si tú no te arrepientes de tu corazón, claro que no te vas a. Te tienes que arrepentir de tu corazón. Que Dios perdona todo lo que hayas hecho, pero tiene que haber arrepentimiento. No le puedo engañar. No le puedo decir, hay algo así.
Looker
Tengo
bee.
que decir, ¿sabes qué? Luego ya como vio que yo seguí orando y el algo dice también ya se.
Alright, guys. So this is a pretty good episode. We do this
Y se bautiza.
Okay.
Por fe se va a bautizar y tú también.
Guys, that's good advice.
Y yo
My
sé
friend
quién
gave me,
es
I
el que te
guess.
está hablando y
But
no
no,
eres
okay,
tú.
whatever. That's good advice.
Y siguió orando y todo, pero
That's kind of
yo
an
no
advice
tengo
that I
miedo,
regret
pero yo no
sometimes. But
puedo.
I guess I'm gonna just end the video right
Yo no
here.
puedo hacer
If you guys really did enjoy this video,
pero
make sure to
sí puedo
subscribe.
orar porque yo
Okay,
no
what is
tengo
this?
temor ya. Yo no tengo.
Buzz.
Pero yo no puedo hacer
Honey, there's
liberación.
keep it into your eyes. Try something that it won't be wrong. Just until the
Tienes
next
vida con el Señor. Sí. Y te digo una cosa, ¿sabes qué? Ándale. Tienes que estar bien con Dios.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video
Mira,
here. If you guys
y
really
luego
did
fíjate
enjoy
que
that
yo
video,
tuve un
make sure to
sueño.
subscribe and
Yo
actually
tengo
just
muchos
just leave a like
a veces yo
and peace out.